On Wednesday in London, a 15,000 signature petition was presented to the British Prime Minister, pleading for government intervention. Every year, UK residents send billions of dollars to their family members abroad. That money goes to some of the poorest, most needy nations on the globe, not just as a financial gift, but as essential income. But next month, scores of legitimate money transfer agencies could be put out of business.
This is going to devastate people around the world, and we should be celebrating and supporting people who give generously to loved ones and lift them out of poverty. Otherwise, it would put more pressure on our aid budget.
It began last year when HSBC Bank was fined $1.9 billion by regulators in the United States. Now, other banks, such as Barclays, are refusing to risk a similar penalty. In a statement, Barclays said it is recognised that some money service businesses don't have the necessary checks in place to spot criminal activity with the degree of confidence required by the regulatory environment under which Barclays operates. The effect of this new risk-averse attitude by Barclays and others is financially significant. Some 50% of Somalia's gross national income comes from remittances sent from abroad. It's estimated 40% of Somalia's population depends on those remittances. It amounts to around $500 million every single year. Amina Mohammed came to Britain 46 years ago, and the money she sends back to Somalia helps support around 50 of her relatives in that chaotic country. She sends it via Dabshil, a London-based agency which can get Amina's cash to even the remotest villages.
What I send from here is a life-saving for them. It's absolutely life-saving.
Dabshil uses Barclays remittance services, but next month, despite years of legitimate trading, Barclays will end the relationship.
We are already licensed in the UK. We have an anti-money laundering system. We have staff been trained. We have been working in this country for the last 20 years, and we serve a community that depends on our services.
The British Banking Association has already convened talks on this issue, but urgent intervention is also being demanded of the British government and regulators. The new rules were intended to cut off the funds of criminals and terrorist cells, but it is legitimately needy people who are going to suffer. Paul Brennan, Al Jazeera, London.